Hello everyone, and welcome to our interim results video. I'm joined today by Matt Garner, our CFO, and together we'll walk you through the great Bango results for the first half of 2021. These results highlight the power of the Bango virtuous circle by connecting merchants to paying users via wallets, carrier billing, and subscription bundling. A large pool of payment data is created. This payment data provides the valuable insights we use to help those same merchants target their digital marketing campaigns and find those paying users. More paying users generates more payment data, which provides more insights, and the virtuous circle connecting payments with marketing grows. Growth in Bango payments has been accelerated by the increasing number of subscription services from leading merchants available through the Bango platform. This increasing volume of payment data is used to create those Bango audiences that the app developer marketing teams use to target their campaigns. Use of Bango audiences grew by a factor of 10 during the first half of the year, with end user spend up 74%, revenue up 49%, and EBITDA almost doubling. We expect to comfortably meet the market expectations for the full year. So let me turn it over to Matt to provide more detail on the financials.
Thanks, Paul, and thank you to everybody watching. A very successful first half, and I'm pleased to be reporting a strong financial performance. We delivered £7.13 million of revenue, 49% up on H1 2020, and end user spend of £1.3 billion, up 74% on H1 2020, continuing our track record for delivering exceptional growth. That 74% increase in end user spend, which is one of our core KPIs, indicates the growth in transactions processed by the Bango platform. It is also a good measure of the ever-increasing volume of data available for our app developer customers in Bango Marketplace. Revenue growth, another core KPI, directly shows the success of the Bango business model. The pace of growth achieved in recent years has continued, and the impact of deals won then is directly impacting our financials now, and will continue to do so in future years. Bango is benefiting from the underlying global growth in online commerce, resulting in more business transacting through the Bango platform each year. Further strengthening our revenue and profitability growth, we are finding that our customers are choosing to standardize on Bango as the integrator for all their third-party services, allowing us to attract platform fees, typically in conjunction with our normal transaction fees. The BT deal won last year is a great example of this. Many of the major merchants are now monetizing their products and services through subscriptions rather than one-time payments, and taking advantage of the Bango platform to do so, giving Bango another strong recurring revenue stream. Our business model is very high margin, greater than 95%, which, along with the platform benefits, results in incremental revenue dropping almost straight through to the bottom line. This gave us an adjusted EBITDA of £2.01 million for the first half, up an impressive 83% on H1 2020, and operating profit of £0.31 million from the Bango business. We also generated cash of £1.3 million in the period, increasing our balance to £7.1 million, and with no borrowings, we are in an excellent position to keep reinvesting into the business, specifically into research and development and sales and marketing. As we highlight in our results statement, the market opportunities for Bango technology have expanded and diversified over the past 18 months, and we are strongly positioned to capitalize on this increased market size through our reinvestment strategy, bringing us ever closer to our goal of becoming the technology behind every payment choice.
While these results are strong, what's even more exciting is the future potential. Growth in the payments business is driven by this formula: connecting more users through more routes, giving them more to buy from more merchants, and using the insights in the platform to increase the end user spend. More users. In the first half, we signed 2 new partnership agreements to accelerate our global reach. With TPay in the Middle East, Africa and Turkey, and NTT Data in Asia, we added 88 new wallets and operator connections, making over 1 billion new users available to the global merchants connected to the Bango platform. Partnerships are a great example of the virtuous circle strategy and our philosophy that everyone connected to the Bango platform thrives. More routes. In the first half of 2021, we continued to launch new routes all over the world with merchants such as Microsoft, Netflix and Amazon. In some cases, these launches brought new operators into the Bango circle, and in others, additional merchants mean our operator partners can continue to grow, benefiting from their relationship with Bango. More merchants. Subscription bundling has become the fastest growing part of the payments business. The first half of 2021 saw the launch of Microsoft's Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription across multiple operators in Europe, with 4 launches using the Bango platform. In the second half of the year, we'll enable launches across Asia and North America. These subscription services are a higher value with a longer term than other services, as they have the option to include the cost of the games console as part of the subscription. Looking forward, the increased availability of 5G will fuel the growth of these gaming and other new subscription services, including virtual and augmented reality and the Internet of Things. New subscription services are also being launched targeted at specific users or specific countries. A great example being the launch of Amazon's Prime Video Mobile Edition with Airtel in India. This is a mobile-only subscription service tailored for prepaid users. By topping up a minimum spend limit, users gain their usual minutes and data bundled with Amazon Prime Video as an added incentive to maintain their top-up balance. This has resulted in a significant increase in user acquisition and retention. More insights. All of these additional partnerships, routes and merchants create more and more data in the Bango platform, providing even more powerful insights which enable us to ensure that the routes really perform for our partners, maximizing not only our own revenue, but those of everyone within the Bango circle. This formula has allowed us to deliver sustained high growth. However, we're about to enter a new era of growth that we call the power of the platform. Take the formula we just discussed of more users, multiplied by more routes, multiplied by more merchants, multiplied by more insights, and raise that to the power of n. Our growth just accelerated by the power of n. In this case, n is the platform effect. By the platform effect, I mean the increased adoption of the Bango platform as the de facto standard for bundling all third-party services. Our first win in this space was with BT, with others launched in the first half, and most recently the announcement of a new deal with a large North American carrier. These wins with leading telcos provide a scalable SaaS revenue stream, often in addition to the end user spend revenue share. This provides revenue faster while retaining the ability to capture upside as consumer engagement grows. While we expect to announce additional Tier 1 telcos in the second half of the year, our journey is just beginning. The opportunity in the telco space alone is exciting, but when we add in the other verticals we serve, including bricks and mortar retailer, energy, the addressable market is simply huge. The platform deals also create their own virtuous circle. One platform deal will see us add tens of new merchants, which in turn drives launches with new payment providers, which themselves become platform deals. All this activity drives an ever-increasing volume of payment data that provides valuable purchase behavior targeting insights that we monetize in Bango Marketplace, as app developers look to find the users that will become valuable buyers, not just casual browsers. The payment data in the Bango platform is incredibly valuable. 80% of app revenue comes from just 5% of users, and we know exactly who that 5% are. This payment data is the first driver of growth for Bango Marketplace. More and more app developers are choosing to use Bango Audiences in their marketing campaigns. And this is clearly visible in the Bango Audience Days KPI we discussed earlier, which grew by a factor of 10 in the first half of the year. This growth was driven by new customers such as Trywin and Huge, a large increase in repeat sales from existing developers, and from the new channel partners, such as Advertiser, that helps us scale the reach of Bango Marketplace. The case studies we published from Nexon and Trywin clearly demonstrate the benefits of using Bango Audiences to find those paying users, both in terms of producing a better return on ad spend, but also in finding higher lifetime value customers. While games have dominated traditional in-app purchases, one of our largest customers for Bango Marketplace is a rapidly growing online trading platform that's using the power of purchase behavior targeting to scale their user base. Finally, we launched several new product enhancements in the first half of the year. A new Bango.ai site allows app developers to use existing audiences or to request tailored audiences based on very specific targeting parameters. By partnering with ByteDance, we brought the power of purchase behavior targeting to the rapidly growing TikTok platform. Put all of that together, the success in Bango Marketplace creates more paying users, and the Bango virtuous circle continues to grow. The first half results are strong and clearly demonstrate the power of the virtuous circle. Bango is uniquely able to monetize both the marketing investments digital merchants make to win more customers and the payments that their customers make. The momentum in Marketplace, coupled with the payments platform effect, make the future even more exciting than ever. And the goal of being the technology behind every payment choice is now a question of when, not if.